As we continue exploring, we meet another astonishing species, the bizarre yet beautiful crested ibis. This bird, crowned with a striking tuft of feathers, draws our attention as it struts gracefully across the forest floor. The crested ibis, known for its distinctive call echoing through the lush surroundings, captivates us not only with its appearance but also its complex social behavior. Flocks unite, using vocalizations to communicate and alert each other to lurking threats, displaying fascinating camaraderie amidst the wild. Each moment spent observing these majestic creatures immerses us further into Madagascar's mysteries, reflecting how their existence intertwines with the vibrant life around them. As we advance, we discover the brilliant blue pygmy parrot, the smallest parrot globally. Its radiant feathers shimmer like precious gems amid dense foliage. With a playful demeanor, it flutters between branches, nibbling on fruits and flowers, embodying joy itself. Despite its tiny stature, this bird's resilience permeates the forest, where it faces survival challenges daily. Among the Malagasy community, the blue pygmy parrot symbolizes the beauty of persistence, reminding us that even the smallest beings hold immense value in life's grand tapestry.